This video, I'm going to show you how you can add links on messages in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you would like to attach a link on your messages, so first I'll go ahead and compose a message. Let's see the above, and I'd like to attach a link under this. So I've already grabbed the link. The only thing I need to do is to go ahead and highlight the text under which I want to insert the link. And once this is highlighted, you'll see we have an option to insert a link up here. So if you click on that, now you'll have an option to paste the link, and then go ahead and just click on enter. And now that has a link under it. You can see this is now the hyperlink for this. From here, I can now go ahead and send the message, and the message will have the link. So that's how you can insert a link on messages in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.